Lovely people, this is what I'm going to look like in most of my videos. It's not part of any terrorist group or anything like that. It's just so my mom can be good with me showing my face. So I can finally do stuff like this. And I'll repeat myself again, I'm not part of a terrorist group or anything like that. It's just for me to cover up my mask. Bang, my face. Yeah, use a mask to cover up a mask. So I have my nerf gear and stuff on. So, oh shoot, I forgot the bell. It's really hard to breathe in that. Just dirty. I bet the phone picked that up. When you hear it ring, it starts. When you hear it ring again, it stops. Nerf dart down there. 3, 2, 1. This is gonna not work out so well. I can't really see. Hold on. Did I hit my gun? Disable my gun. My primary gun down there. I know I'm shooting all weird, but I'm using the camera to aim. Ah! Hit my arm. That's my camera arm, so I can't put it behind my back. Shoot, didn't it? Ricochet. What? Bang, bang. That's 2-0. You hit my shirt, so I have a hole in my shirt. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Revive. And technically, you didn't start in your spawn point. Oh shoot! I didn't see. I can't. When I have the phone in my hand, I just can't. I just can't see stuff. He's right there. If you shoot my hand, it doesn't count. If you shoot the camera, you can't. But you have to shoot this arm right here. Doesn't count if you shoot it. Ah. Ah! Hit! In the face, too. Oh, you guys like my paint job? I was just looking at it. I know there's 2 separate greens there. And it's bright orange. Just I painted the trigger and all that. I'm gonna do the Phantom Forces press H. It goes like I hope I got that on camera. I swear, I hope I got that on camera. Oh shit, why do I have my door open? Go, attack dog, go! Go! Move, move, move. Ah! Hit my beanie! Hit my beanie! Oh. Guys, I'm gonna zoom in on what I'm trying to go for. For this. Oh yeah, I took all the bullets out of that. So it's basically a suicide mission. Let me do something real quick, guys. If I had my GoPro on me, I would, you guys would have a better view. But my GoPro seized up. I hear him getting up. Got my gun cocked. May sound weird, but not like that, guys. He got up. He got up. He's right there, guys. You can't shoot me. I'm just from the crowd. Shout out to Alan Walker. Best stuff. I'm so close. I hit you. Huh. You gotta call your hits. You gotta call your hits. You gotta say hit. Run! I'm normally shooting with my right hand, but since I have the phone in that hand, shoot. I gotta do this real quick, guys. Oh God! You can't do that. You gotta count down out loud. You scared the heck out of me. I didn't even have the phone in my hand. And you can't invade the person's base. If they're in the corner, you can't shoot them. So guys, I have this mostly loaded. So let's do this. Oh, there on the magazine that you have, there's a little orange slide. Press that and the light will come on. Oh, he's in his base. You gotta come out of your base, spawn camper. Reverse spawn camper. Or you can't use these bullets that have been used. Oh, shoot. You gotta count down from 10. Shoot. I have this right there, guys. You can't pick up other people's guns, by the way. Turn the light back on. I know the light's turned off. The lights aren't for me, it's for the camera. Headshot. That counts as 2 kills. 4-0. Guys, I'm wearing my sleeping cap. I have it open so I can see, because you guys aren't gonna see my face unless Esther's eyes reflects my beautiful face. Countdown. Only if I could hook up to my computer to these. I'm so sorry, Esther. Come here. I'm sorry. I actually hit her like lightly in my face, in her face, with the tip of my gun. Shoot, come on! Not now. Ah, ow. Shoot. I didn't mean to do that. I just meant to lightly pull it out. Shoot, bullets coming out. Hi, Esther. Frick me. It went all over. You already counted down. Oh, hit. That sound like 4-2 or something like that. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm not really looking at the screen, guys, but I was somewhat where he's at. Oh, I see him in my real eyes. The zoom's terrible. Wait, I gotta... Something like that, guys. He saw movement. He's like right there. Oh, God. I know where he's at, but us just looking. Oh, shoot, it jammed! As long as I don't stop the video. Oh, God. Did it come out? Dang it, it's right there.